Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway lean. Now, knowing how to do a sway already would be really useful, and I'd recommend learning one of the easier leans like a comb lean. There's loads of them, but that would be a good example. I'll put links to those in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them, you can find them easily and quickly. Jumping in, the sway lean looks like this, and you can do lots of little tweaks to get different variations on this, but we can do the standard one. Go 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is one of those moves that looks very different depending upon your heights. So for some people it's going to suit them and be really easy. For other people it might look great but be hard work, and for other people it might be very easy but not look much. Okay, so starts off right to right for a sway. We go back, we wrap into the sway. Now when we sway the lady back, we're actually going to, instead of bring the lady straight back, we're going to bring the lady around the corner. So we're going to do a quarter turn to the right. So the lady goes around. While we do that, the guy's right foot is already by the lady's feet. The left foot is going to go out to the left, and we're going to sink onto the right so we can get that left leg out and straight. Going to give the lady support with the left hand. We're going to pull the lady in so she's against our hip with the right hand, and then all we have to do from here is take our weight over to the left. Ladies have lots of choices about what they do. They can do all kinds of different fancy things with their legs, but we're just going to recommend today that the lady does the crossover and support her own weight. So the ladies come over with the right foot, step, and at this point, if I was to let go, Karen can support herself entirely. You can do fancier versions where the lady is reliant on the guy to stay up. Okay, so we've got the lady in here. All we have to do now, take our weight back, send the lady away from us, left hand comes up. We're walking the lady out in a turn direction, and now you're in an accordion. You can either carry on with an accordion or just lead a return with the right, and you're done. Okay, other view, and we'll think numbers. So we go back, 1, side by side into the sway. 2, pick up the hand, we do need it. Rotate the lady and turn to the right, left leg out for the guys. 3, so the guys have done their prep, get the lady into a good strong position, give her support, then the lady comes across. 4, we come up 5, face 6, return 7, and back 8. So let's try it together. Take it nice and slow, and do remember with anything like this, if it doesn't feel good, abort the move, because you can always have another go, because these are the kinds of things that if you start pushing through and it's not working, you can hurt yourself, so be careful. So here we go, 5, 6, a sway, a lean. We go a back, wrap, prep, lean, up, look, return, and back. And I heartily recommend, particularly if it fits the music, occasionally instead of going into the lean in 1 count, go into the lean in 2 counts. So from the lady being back, just coming over and into the lean, you could take your time and take 2 counts. You could get a much bigger sweep, go across, and as you come up, you could come up slow, so you draw the foot up before you head away. So you can start to play with the styling, and it's one of those things that it's much more useful from a musical point of view to feel like whatever the music is you're dancing to. So of course in some tunes it would be good, some tunes it would be bad. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. We'll be back next time with another move. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Helps promote the move, the channel, and let you know every time something is coming out, as long as you've got the notifications turned on. And there's a music recommendation on the end. Thank you. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.